So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. And in this video you can see here how can you unlock any Motorola smartphone when you successfully hard resetted your Motorola, and when you configure your smartphone will asking to enter your Gmail ID account detail, okay, but you forget your pin pattern lock and Gmail ID account also. So in this video I can show you how can you unlock your my friend, any Motorola smartphone in just only 5 minutes without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. You can just your unlock any Motorola in just 5 minutes without computer and PC. So let's start the video first. You can see here, if you are enter any random Gmail ID account detail, so your phone will 100% not open. Okay, so you have to go back to the home screen. First of all, when you come in this page, you have to change your region first, and you have to select the English United States, and you know very well the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same address, and then after you have to open emergency call option here. You can see here this phone is logged by Google FRP, so you have to only do some important changes into your smartphone, then after you will be able to use your smartphone as a new. Okay, so in this page you have to dial a very unique number. This is star hash 0 star 58819 star 0 star hash, and you have to call this code for one time. Done. Okay, now your smartphone is ready now to apply unlocking methods, and this is very certified service center offline method tool. So you have to apply all these methods into your logged any Motorola smartphone. After that you have to start your configuration and click skip, and you have to click more, click accept and continue. And at this time you have to remove your SIM tray. Okay, and then after you have to only connect data cable only, not with the computer and not with the charger. Okay, then after my friend you have to go back and find this Motorola privacy policy and open this. After that select the last option, go to the last option. This is motorola.com/support, and wait for a few seconds. Okay, so you have to again select United States, go down, click about section first, click Motorola, go down, select these 3 lines, click support, click product support, click phones, click software fix, go to down, click download, you can see here, click download. Okay, click about, click privacy statement, click Motorola mobility website privacy statement, Click what are my data protecting rights. Click submit a privacy request. Go back, go back, go back, find this repair option, click contact us, click run hardware test from your phone, click more option, okay, click finish, and click done, okay. After that, go to the home screen, and then after eject the data cable, okay, and insert the SIM tray and switch off your smartphone. Oh, sorry. Switch off the smartphone. Then after, press power button plus volume up and down on same time. Don't release, and when any page appear, remove the power button first. Then after, use your volume rockers for navigate the page and find this recovery mode. Click power button to select. Wait for a second. Press power button plus volume down and up. After that, when this page will open, you have to go down and find view recovery logs, okay, and click power button to confirm. Again, the first option you have to select and press power button. After that, you have to wait for a second, then click power button again, click back, go to back and click power button. Again, you have to go down, select mount and system, press power button. You can see here, go down again and find apply update from ADB and press power button. Wait for a second. Wait for a second until the new page come, and after 2 or 3 seconds press power button. Wait for a second. Wait for a second. And your phone is restarting, and all done almost. Press power button. If not working, press power button plus volume volumes rockers. Click reboot system now. Confirm this, reboot system now, and your phone is restarting. So wait for a few seconds, and then after your phone will be unlocked 100% by using this service center certified method. And this will help everyone who has Motorola any model, latest Android version 15 or 16. But if you have a older version of Android like 14, 13, so you may use this method and take a chance to unlock your Motorola by using this method. Okay. So if you have any queries, so comment us your specific model name. Then after our team will reply very soon. Then after start your configuration, click escape. Click more, click accept and continue. And all done, your smartphone is unlocked now by using this amazing method. If you have any queries, comment us, our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.